ED is the median in triangle ABC and ED half BC. Then measure of angle A, or A is angle A, the types of angle A equal what? We have triangle A, B, and C, and ED is the median, and ED half of BC. Okay, then we have AD is the median in triangle ABC, and ED half of BC. Then angle A will be right. The measure of angle A will be 90 degree. Okay, next question number 2. The measure of exterior angle of equilateral triangle to be 120 degree. The measure of exterior angle of an equilateral triangle equal 120 degree. We have right angle triangle here, and we called it equilateral triangle. This angle will be 120. You must know the difference between equilateral triangle and acute triangle. We have 120 because each angle of this triangle will be 60 degree, because the sum of interior angle in triangle equal 180. 180 divided by 3 equals 60. Then the measure of angle here it will be 120. Question number 3. If the length of any side in triangle is third the perimeter, then the number of axes it will be 3, because we will have equilateral triangle, 3 line symmetry. Question number 4. In any triangle ABC, EP plus BC subtract by CA greater than space. We know EP plus BC greater than CA. Then we can cancel CA by it, the negative CA to right hand side, left hand side about this equality. Then EP plus BC subtract by CA greater than 0. Greater than 0. Okay, choose letter A. Question number 5. ABC is a rhombus. ABCD, we have a rhombus here, the rhombus, and AC greater than BD. AC greater than BD. Then measure of angle D space and measure of angle C. We called it D here to be greater than C, because EC greater than DB. Then this angle will be obtuse and this angle will be acute. Then measure of angle D will greater than measure of angle C. Question number 2. Number 1. If 5x, 5, 7, and x are lengths of triangle side lengths, then x belonging to the difference between them and 8 them. 7 minus 5 equal 2, and 8 them it will be 12. Question number 2. Any point lies on x-axis or on axis symmetry of line segment is spaced from its terminals. We have point its axis about line segment such that AP. If we have point O, then OA will be equal P. Any point line axis symmetry of line segment is equal from its terminal is equal distance. It will be equal distance is equal distance from its terminals E and P. Okay, terminals okay, is equal distance. Okay, question number 3. If the measure of two angles are different, then the greatest in measure opposite to side of what? Again, if the measure of two angles are different, such as that here, this angle greater than this angle. If the measure of two angles are different, then the greatest in measure is opposite to side what? The opposite of greatest. If we have this angle greater than this angle, it will be the side here greater than other side. if the measure of two angles are different, then the greatest in measure is opposite to a side of greater than the other side. Okay, greater than the other side, which opposite the other angle. Greater than the other side, which opposites other angle. Question number 4. The bisector of the vertex angle of isosceles triangle. We have here the bisector of the vertex of isosceles triangle. It will be what? Bisect base. It will be bisect base and perpendicular to it. Bisect or bisect space and perpendicular to it. Question 5. We have triangle ABC. Measure of angle A 3 times measure of angle B. Okay, he give us in this example AB equal AC. AB equal AC and measure of angle A 3 times measure of angle B. Then measure of angle C equal what? We know the sum of interior angle equal 180 and measure of angle B equal measure of angle C. Then measure of angle C plus measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equal 180. We can cancel measure of angle B and write C because they are equivalent, and C plus C equal twice measure of angle C. And angle A here, he tell us measure of angle A twice or 3 times B. 3 multiplication measure of angle C, C equal B. Okay, we can cancel B here and write 3. Then the result will be 180. Or you can write here, again, you can write here x and 2x. Or what? 3x, because this side, this angle, 3 times this angle, this x equal x. And the measure of angle A is 3 times measure of angle B. Then x plus 3x plus x equal 180. Okay, x reverts to measure of angle C or B. Then 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3 equal 5, 5x equal 180. And then you can divide it by 5. 180 divided by 5, 18 divided by 5 equal 3, and remainder 3. 30 divided by 5 equals 60. Then x will be 36. You want to find the measure of angle A. Measure of angle A equals 3 times 3, 36. 3 times 6 equal 18. 8 and the carry 1. 3 times 3, 9. 9 plus 1 equal 10. Then the result will be 108. The measure of angle A equal 108 degree. In this example, you want to find the parameter of triangle MBC. Okay, I will explain the proof. Look at it with me when I explain the steps. We have the point D here, lies in the middle, ABC, and the base quality. It was 5 centimeter. It was parallel to BC because ED line segment join between each point E and D lies in the middle of AC and D lies in the middle of BA. Then this line segment will be parallel to the base, and the base will be 10 centimeter because 5 it will be 10. And they give us, I will draw here, see it was 4 centimeter, and M the point of intersection about the median. Then if DM4, then MC will be 8 centimeter. And he gave us DE was 5, is equal to 10, and 8 and 4. We can find what? he give us again, you want to find the parameter of A and B. A, M, MBC, MBC, this triangle. And he give us MD was 4, MD was 4, and DE 5, and ME was 3. Then BM will be 6 centimeter because BM twice ME. Then the parameter will be equal 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 10 equal 24. The result will be 24 centimeter. We want to prove that parameter of triangle greater than twice XL. We have XL, Y and Z and X, twice XL, the parameter. We know the parameter about what? We can find the rule about product, about each inside. We can divide it, this triangle as this triangle. Okay, you can write XY plus YL, such that XY plus YL greater than XL, and this triangle we can write XZ plus XL greater than ZL. Okay, you want to find the parameter about triangle. If we add XY plus YL plus XZ plus plus in this triangle XZ plus XL greater than ZL. You want to find twice XL. Okay, write XL here again, XL here again, XY plus YL greater than XL, and here XZ plus ZL, XZ plus ZL greater than XL. Okay, and then we can add them. XY plus XL plus XZ plus ZL will be greater than XL plus X2XL. And we have XY and ZX, XZ here, and we can add ZL, this part plus this part, ZL plus LY, ZL LY, again XY plus YL plus XZ plus ZL, XY here and XZ here, XY plus YL plus LZ, it will be ZY. We can replace them and write ZY, it will be greater twice XL. So will be the parameter of triangle will be greater than twice XL. Understood? I choose this triangle, first step, this inequality, and second triangle shows this equality, and it left hand side with left hand side, right hand side, right hand side, and then I can get twice XL, and here ZL, this part plus this part, it will be ZY, and XY plus ZY plus XZ will be the parameter of triangle. Question here. We have triangle, scalene, and isosceles triangle, and they give us X Y was greater than XL, then the opposite angle 1, and here 2, measure of angle 1 greater than angle 2 in the first triangle, in triangle XLY. Okay, and in the next triangle we have isosceles triangle here, Z Y L 3 and 4, angle 4 greater than angle, measure of angle 4 greater than measure of angle 3. It's relation number 1, and here relation number 2. We can add relation 1 and 2. Okay, the relation number 1 and relation number 2, 1 plus 4, it will be angle L. The measure of angle L will be greater than angle Y. We have trapezium here. It's trapezium and draw line segment here, E, B, C, and D, 50 and 38 and 82. Prove that ABD isosceles. We have two straight line parallel. It will be what? 38. Okay, we have triangle. We can find this angle, this triangle. Measure of angle here, DBC. It will be 180. Subtract the sum of them, 82 plus 50. We can find this angle. Okay, 180 subtract by 2 plus 5, 2 plus 0 equal 2, 8 plus 5 equal 13. The difference between them here, 10 and 7. 10 minus 2 equal 8, 7 minus 3 equal 4. Result will be 48. This angle will be 48 degree, because the sum of interior angle in a triangle equal 180. You can add them and the result subtract 180. The result will be here 48 degree, and this angle was 38. And we have parallel such that DA parallel to BC. Then we have alternate angle. This angle will be 48. This angle will be 48. 48 again. And then you can find measure of angle A, because we called it what? We called it alternate angle. And we can find measure of angle A in this triangle. Write 180 subtract by 38 and 48. We can write 180 subtract by 8 plus 8, 16, 6 and take care of 1. 5 plus 3 equal 8. It will be 10. 10 minus 6 equal 4, and 17 minus 8 will be 9. It will be 49 degree. ABD. You want to prove that this triangle was isosceles. We have 48, and here it was 30. We have 82. It was 60. So not clear with me. Okay, 60. Right here 60. 0 plus 2 equal 2. 6 plus 8 equal 14. 10 minus 2 equal 8. And 7 plus 4 equals 3. It will be 38. This angle was 38. Okay. Then we have 38 again. It's parallel. And DB cut of them. Transfer of them here. Then measure of angle ADB. It will be measure of angle ABD equals 38 degree. Then this triangle will be what? Isosceles, because we have two angles in the base are equal in measure. Then this triangle will be 38, the measure of angle in the base. Next question. From this figure, you want to find or prove that AC greater than BC. We have triangle here. This triangle and BD and A and C, and it was parallel to the side lines. They are parallel. And E. He give us bisect angles here. It's bisect. He want to prove that AC greater than BC. How? AC greater than BC. Okay, we have the parallel here. Then this angle will be equal this angle, alternate angle. Okay, this angle equals this, and this equals this. It will be equality isosceles triangle here. Then we can write AB equal AD. This part equals this part. Okay, and then we want to prove that AC greater than BC. Then such that AD subset from AC, then EC will greater than this line segment. We have subset يا أولاد. Okay, AD subset of AC, then EC greater than AD, then EC will be greater than AB. Why? Because AB will equal AD. This is the proof. Okay, next example. We have right angle triangle here. Right angle triangle here. It's right. And here angle D, and we have E and B, ABC. It was 30 degree, and here 9 centimeter. Then we can write EB half of 9 because 90 degree. Then EB equal 4.5 centimeters. This side length 4.5, and he tell us it will be equal the middle, and here the middle. Then BD again equal half of 9, it will be 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5, and here 4.5, and here 4.5. Then we can find the length of BM 4.5. We can divide it 3 parts. The base will be MD equal what? Equal 1.5, and here 3. So twice the base. 3 plus 1.5 equal 4.5. And BM 3 centimeter, and AB 4.5 centimeter. Okay, you can write the proof with yourself. Okay.